Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about the top 11 Instagram updates you should know. So hit that like button so that our video reaches more people. Now let's get started. Are you aware of the new features on Instagram? If you're a content creator, you can benefit from these new features. Instagram wants to give credit to the original creator of the content shared on Instagram. They want to improve the experience of creators on their app, so that they can share more entertaining content with their followers, and more users will enjoy using Instagram's platform. First, assign moderators during live. Once you started doing Instagram Live, you can assign moderators so that they can report comments, remove viewers from live, or turn off comments for a viewer. This is helpful since you need help from someone to manage the comment section while you're busy doing the activity in your live streaming. It will be easy to add people as a moderator. The host can choose a moderator from a list of suggested accounts or search for a specific user. Next, favorites and following feed. You can now enjoy a separate feed for selected accounts. If you want to view a feed where you can see the content shared by specific Instagram accounts that you follow, it is now possible to have that option on Instagram. On the top of the Instagram's logo, tap on it, and you will see a drop-down menu showing the options Following and Favorites. The following feed shows you the best content from users that you are currently following. Now, if you choose to view the Favorites feed, this is what you will see if you haven't added accounts yet. This feature allows you to add up to 50 accounts as your favorites. You don't have to follow them. Just add them to your favorites. And when you have added accounts here and choose to view the favorites feed, you can only view the content shared by these people in your favorites list, and you'll be able to view their recent posts. Next, edit Instagram Carousel. If you share carousels on your Instagram account, you can also choose specific photos in your post that you can delete. So you don't have to delete the entire carousel post to remove specific photos. Next, new editing tools in Reels. You can upload a video from your mobile device, then edit your reel from this window. You can add music by tapping on the music icon. Below, you can drag where you want the reel to start and end. And you can also add another reel. Once you're done, you can check the preview. In the top section, you can view the options to download this reel, edit the music, add stickers, and doodle on the reel option. You can even edit the volume of the camera audio and the volume of the music. You can record your voice over to this video. Now click Done. Now this icon allows you to write over the video. You can draw something or highlight a part of your video. You can also add text and filters. Next, enhance tags for creators. You can give credit when acknowledging other creators on your Instagram content. The enhanced tag allows creators to tag using their profile category on their accounts, shown as People Tag. People can easily view the creators that were also tagged on the photo or the video. Next, Reel in your stories. Reels are now the most viewed section on Instagram. You can even view the photos or videos from your highlighted stories to create a reel. Just choose a highlighted story, then click on the Create button. Now you can add audio to sync with the images to create a fantastic reel to share with your followers. Next, plan your activity. You can organize your Instagram to make it less cluttered. It is now possible to perform activities such as bulk managing your content and interactions on Instagram. This means that you can delete or archive posts, stories, IGTV, reels, comments, or likes. Next, remix any public video. Instagram will allow users to compile public reels, so that you can be creative with how you compile moments that you find interesting on Reels. If you find a reel interesting, just tap on the three dots and you can find the Remix This Reel option. If you tap on this feature, you can view a pop-up window showing a remix window. This will allow you to choose where you would place the remixed version of this reel. You can see a preview showing that you can place the remix beside the original video or after the original video. And this is how you can view the remix of a public reel. Then you can even add effects. Next, use template on Reels. If you find Reels on Instagram, where the content creators syncs the timing of the videos with the music, you can use their template. You may notice the caption, Use Template, above their Instagram name and profile photo. You can tap on this button, or you can click on those three dots, then tap on the option Use Template. You'll see this window showing you their template. Below is the timing of clips that you can use. Now add media. You can choose 3 or more media to add. It can be videos or photos. And you will use the same song from this template. Once you're done, you may notice that it catches a viewer's attention. So share this reel on your feed. Next, tag products in your post. Instagram allows product tags from an Instagram shop to be available for everyone. When you create a post, you can tag a product that you may find relevant to your post. Doing this will allow your followers to view your post that also shows a tagged product, and they can learn about the product from your post. Next, like stories. Instagram users can tap on the heart icon to like your stories. This does not go directly to your direct messages. It keeps your DMs organized. Only the Instagram user who shared the story can view the people who like their stories. If you tap on one of your stories, you can see a list of viewers who liked your story, and this can be used as one of your marketing strategies to engage your target audiences. If you need to rank at the top of the SERPs and drive organic traffic to any niche with the only SEO strategy that still works, we have a marketing app that can help you get leads using post influence. You can find tons of blogs and websites eager to post your articles. Get 100% organic do follow links. Use ranking sites and no bad players or dead blogs. Automated email and SMS reach out. The full details on the sites using rank, traffic, and more. Get the email and phone number of bloggers and influencers. Post influence gets you new traffic with hands-free ease. Discover high-quality blogs and sites in any niche, inbuilt flow system, and automatically stop campaign when your prospect responds. Build listings for free, fresh backlinks 24/7, and support. It provides accurate information about blog ranking, traffic, and backlink value. Build an endless supply of backlinks from website that Google loves hands-free. Get backlink and guest post automation with inbuilt marketplace. Find the perfect sites to target. Outreach automation and trade in guest posts and links. So try Post Influence now. Go to getpostinfluence.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.